We'll guide you through how to fix your iPhone camera having a black screen. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The black screen could be in the camera app itself or when trying to use the camera in other apps. We've got solutions for different problems, so make sure it's this full video. To get started, if it's happening in the camera app, what you want to try doing is restarting the camera app. You can swipe up on it and then swipe on it again to close it. Then open it again and see if that solves the problem. If this is happening in apps as well, you can try restarting the app. If that doesn't solve the problem and it's happening within apps, you want to open up your settings. Then you want to go and scroll down and go and find security and privacy. Scroll down here and find camera. And you need to make sure that it's got access here. If it hasn't got access, that may be why it's got a black screen. If that still doesn't solve it, let's try performing a restart. So press the increase volume button, the decrease, and start holding down the side power button. Shortly, your phone screen will go black. Keep it held down until you see the Apple icon and release like so. When it starts, hopefully the problem is solved.